Namaste
Namaste
everyone.
everyone. This is Team Auto Shifters from Amri International School. Today we are going to explain you about our Intel Marathon idea. I am Mihir Garde.
I'm Tawhi. My name is Tanushka. Rocket is the transport in which we use to take payload to space. Is called as a rocket. Now my friends are going to share our idea. So we have taken a problem which is regarding space, which is as space exploration is very costly. In that, the fuel is main reason. Here, the fuel in the rockets, there is more excess burn of fuel. So we have designed a lightweight rocket to reduce the fuel excess burn. In heavy rockets, the excess burn of fuel takes place because it is very heavy, so it needs a more thrust to go to space.
Okay, now let me tell you about the details of our project. Now, first of all, our rocket is going to be very light in weight. As you know, to make it lighter, we have included some things. We are going to use a material called aerogel. We'll explain it further into the session. We are going to make different layers of the rocket which will help us to reduce the weight even more. We are going to include materials that lead to sustainability. For example, plastic. Now plastic is polluting our earth. We can use that to make the rockets. And then we are going to use very efficient rockets, efficient fuel engines, so we can propel it even further.
So, what is an aerogel? Aerogel is a synthetic porous ultralight material which is derived from a gel in which liquid component of for the gel has been replaced with gas without sufficient collapse of gel structure. The result is solid and low density and extremely thermal conductivity material which is known as aerogel.
Now, about the rocket. Now, the rocket will have a very sleek design which is very close to the GSLV rocket that we have now. And it will use Raptor 1 engine which was manufactured by the Soviets and also used by SpaceX. It uses methane as a fuel and it will weigh around 250 to 300 tons. That is very light because Chandrayaan 3, as you know, had 750 tons of weight on it, and we are going to use around 90 to 95 tons of fuel. Now Raptor 1 engines are very powerful and they can use a little fuel and produce more thrust.
Now, the first layer will be heat shield. As we all know, heat shield is an aerodynamic structure which prevents the thermal and infrared rays to enter in the rocket and damage it. So, the second layer will be C plastic compressed with heat shield, which will make it very stronger because we are going to use C plastic, which has sustained everything: climate changes, waves, and pressure. The third layer will be aluminum. We have used aluminum because it is a good metal which is very light and can resist some heat in the rocket. The fourth layer will be aerogel, which I explained. The third layer will be hydrogen carbide because it is very strong that it can prevent the damage from inside layers.
Okay, now as you told, the first layer would be heat shield. Now for the heat shield we have made another layer. I will explain you about it. The first layer will be carbide, the outermost layer. Now carbide is very effective in prevention of heat. It can also sustain a lot of damage. Next will be the original heat shield which we have in use now. And after that, between the heat shield and the C plastic which we are using in the body will be molten waste plastic. we are going to stick a molten layer of plastic on the carbide and heat shield, which will make it even more stronger and help it to sustain heat. Now, do you think our design is different from the designs we have existing yet? Yes, it is very different because our rocket will be very light, it will be very fuel efficient, it will be very cheap to manufacture because now we have estimated the manufacturing about 50% less and it can still be reduced. So our rocket is actually very different from what we have now. Now we have developed this program for the Indian Institute of Space Research.
Oh, we like this idea.
Please do think about it.
Thank you.